Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial on how to use the explode command. The explode command in AutoCAD allows you to break down complex objects into their individual components, which can be very useful when working with complicated drawings. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of using the explode command efficiently. Let's get started. Opening your drawing. Begin by opening your drawing in AutoCAD. You can either create a new drawing or open an existing one. Selecting the object to be exploded. To use the explode command, you need to select the object you want to break down. You can select the object by clicking on it with your mouse or using the selection tools provided in AutoCAD. Accessing the explode command. To access the explode command, you have a few options. You can type X in the command line and press enter, or you can find the explode command button on the Modify panel in the Home tab. Confirming the selection. Once you have accessed the explode command, AutoCAD will prompt you to confirm the selection. Click on the selected object again or simply press enter to proceed. After confirming the selection, AutoCAD will break down the object into its individual components. Each component will become a separate entity, which can be edited independently. Modifying exploded components. Now that your object is exploded into its components, you can make modifications to each individual part as needed. This includes modifying dimensions, moving or deleting components, adjusting shapes, or applying different properties. Saving your modifications. Remember to save your modifications regularly to ensure that all changes made are preserved. You can either save your drawing as a new file or overwrite the existing one. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use the explode command in AutoCAD. This command is a powerful tool that allows you to break down complex objects into their individual components for better editing and modification. Feel free to explore our other tutorials or seek additional help. Happy designing!